problem, I'm given the graph of a vertical line, and I'm asked to write its equation. It's tempting just to tell you what the answer is because the problem is actually pretty simple. But to motivate why the answer is the way it is, I'd like to make out a table of values for inputs and outputs based on this graph. Suppose I was just to plot a point, say right here. Its coordinates would be roughly -7, 5. Let me just pick another random point, but try to make the coordinates nice. Maybe I'll pick -7, say 10, and write that down. And maybe one or two more just to give you the idea. Maybe I pick this point right here, which is -7, 0. And maybe I'll pick one more. Let me pick the point -7, -5. So this would be the point x equals -7, y equals -5. So if you had to come up with an equation that told people how to describe this equation, you might notice that no matter what point you pick on this line, the x value is always -7. In fact, you'll get every y value you ever want out of there, but the x values will always be -7. So the idea would be that your equation would be such that x is equal to -7, and the graph takes on all possible y values. So the equation for a vertical line always has the equation x equals a number. Perhaps in another video I'll show you that a horizontal line is very similar, except it's the y values that are always the same. So horizontal lines, lines that go left and right, always have an equation where you have y equals some constant. Since I don't have a graph, I wouldn't know what that constant is here, but that's basically it.